All right, I'm going to work through a sample problem like each of the ones, the most missed ones on the test. And then immediately following this video, you can take whatever notes you want. Immediately following this video is one of the questions that was on the test. It's the same exact question that was on the test with the same exact answer choices. All right, so first one says to solve using square roots. This is a problem very similar to it. So we need to get the squared term by itself. So we're going to divide both sides by 5. Uh, 5/16. Take the square root of both sides. X equals plus and minus the square root of -16. So we don't know the square root of -16, but we do know the square root of 16. So remember, we're going to split this up into the square root of -1 and the square root of 16. We're going to change the square root of 1 to I, and then the square root of 16 is 4. We just normally wouldn't write it that way. We would write x equals plus and minus 4i. And then just remember that that could be split up into x equals positive 4i and x equals negative 4i. All right, so look over that as many times as you need. Take whatever notes you want. And then do the next question, which is exactly like the one on the test and very similar to this one.